Hi, it's Lenny.
And Sandy.
We can't get to the phone right now, so
Please
leave us a message after.
Yeah, you're silly.
Hey, Lenny. Hey, I don't know what to say. And, if you need anything, I'm here, man. See ya.
Pellaton, this is Tom Langstrom down at the factory. We've got your shift covered, so just take as much time as you need. Sorry about your loss.
Hello, Leonard. This is your mother. If anything is wrong, you can call me. And the funeral was very nice. The petunias were lovely. They were just beautiful.
Nice to see you again, stranger. What? You're not gonna say hello? Hi. You always overreact to everything.
What the hell is this? You're a talking sandwich.
It's me, Sandy.
No, Sandy's dead. I was at her funeral today.
It's a little weird for me, too. Do you think this was my first choice?
If you're Sandy, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Favorite instrument?
Tuba, of course.
My least favorite family member?
It's your mother. I hate her. Bring it in, big boy.
Sandy, it's really you?
Of course, silly.
This is crazy.
Well, we do crazy things for love.
I guess it's like we always say, huh?
Together
forever.
So you dumped her?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So you're telling me your dead girlfriend came back to life to be with you, and you broke up with her because of a bad dream?
No, it wasn't like that, man. When you put it that way, it's
Hey, it's cold, it's dark, and it's downright impressive.
So you think I did the right thing?
Of course you did the right thing. Hey, it's time for you to get back on the saddle, buddy. We need to get you hooked up. And I know the perfect girl, Marcy from accounting.
Marcy?
Dude, she is good with numbers. Come on, just give it a shot.
Oh my God, did I tell you how hard it was to get here? You know, last week I was at a Def Leppard concert. I love Joe Elliott.
She spills her beer on me on my $400.
He doesn't know it
shoes.
yet.
I'm like,
I am so gonna have his babies.
oh, sandwich. I love it. I am starving. Oh, this is wonderful.
where Sandy is.
She left like an hour ago.
To go where?
I don't know. She said something about taking the bus home. I think she took that job offer back in LA.
Nice shirt.
Baby, I'm so sorry. God, I've been so stupid.
Yes, you have been. You ran out in the middle of the night.
I got scared. I'm sorry, okay? But I didn't realize that there were literally thousands of women out there, but there's only one of you. Look, I know I don't deserve a second chance, but from the bottom of my heart, baby, I'm bread over heels for you.